Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield Certified 2015 Honda Civic Touring. Let's take a look and see what this vehicle has to offer. This vehicle comes with power mirrors, locks, and windows. It has full leather interior, power seating, a sunroof up top, and comfortably seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also comes with steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It also has a built-in navigation system, a touchscreen interface, AM, FM, and XM radio, USB and HDMI inputs, a side view camera and rear view camera with 3 different viewing modes. There's wide, normal, and top-down view. It also has heated seats and many more great features.